Hello! In today's video lesson, I'll show you how to fix Roblox cursor going off screen due to mouse problem. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Let's now start. The issue often arises from Windows display settings, Microsoft Store, cache files, or the Roblox version being used. Insert Roblox isn't active. Right-click on your desktop and access Display Settings, making sure the right display is chosen. Adjust the size and display resolution settings to their suggested values under Scale and Layout. If the cursor disappears, try playing Roblox in full screen mode. If the issue persists, troubleshoot using the Windows Store Applications Troubleshooter under Windows Settings, then System, which should take a minute to verify settings and program files. To resolve the cursor issue, Windows recommends resetting the Roblox app's settings in App Settings, selecting Roblox, enter Installed Apps, and then Advanced Options. Scroll down and click on Reset. Restart Roblox to see if the issue is resolved using the legitimate Roblox app. To play Roblox Adventures, visit roblox.com and sign in to your account. Open the app through your browser and download the installer. Follow the setup wizard to install Roblox on your PC, resolving the cursor problem on the Microsoft Store. That's all for now, everyone. Thanks for watching.